In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use independent corners in Figma. This feature is incredibly powerful for designers looking to break away from uniform aesthetics and create more dynamic, asymmetrical shapes for their user interfaces and graphic elements. Manipulating each corner individually opens a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to craft unique and distinctive designs. Whether you're aiming for a subtle visual tweak or a completely unconventional shape, independent corners provide the precision and flexibility you need right within Figma. To begin, first select an object on your Figma canvas, any shape, frame, or component you wish to modify. Once your element is selected, look to the right-hand sidebar, which is your Properties panel. Scroll down to the Appearance section. Here, you'll find the corner radius field, usually with a single input box. By default, this applies a uniform radius to all four corners, creating a symmetrical curve. To unlock more specific control, locate the small, distinct independent corners icon next to the corner radius field. It often looks like a square with disconnected segments. Clicking this icon will transform the single radius input into four separate fields. This grants you granular control over each corner of your element. These new fields correspond to the top left, and bottom left corners, allowing you to set a unique radius for each. With independent corners enabled, you'll see four distinct input fields, each representing a corner: top left, bottom right, and bottom left. To change a corner's radius, click its input field and type your desired numerical value. For example, to make a sharp top left corner and a rounded bottom right, set the top left to 0 and the bottom right to a value like 20 or 30 pixels. Changes are instantly reflected on your canvas, providing immediate visual feedback. Experiment with different combinations. Try setting one corner to a high radius or two adjacent corners. You can also drag the numerical values by clicking and holding your mouse over them and moving left or right for a fluid preview. Additionally, using your keyboard's up and down arrow keys allows for precise, incremental adjustments. This flexibility lets you create anything from subtle asymmetrical curves to dramatically unique shapes, perfect for custom buttons, distinct image frames, or visually interesting container elements. Independent corners empower you to infuse your designs with a more personalized and artistic touch, making your UI elements truly stand out.